Good morning, dear student. Welcome to the online classes for 9th class. Today I will revise a lesson, the Sahnai of Bismillah Khan. The Sahnai. Sahnai of Bismillah Khan. Now in this chapter, there is the history of Sahnai. First of all, understand the meaning of Sahnai. Sah means Shah, emperor of the at that time. Means ki the story is said about the times of Emperor Aurangzeb. There was an instrument kungi. When it was played, it produced very thrills and unpleasant thought. The king emperor does not like this, so he banned the playing of kungi in his residence. Now, a barber from the magician's family improved the instruments by making 7 holes on a hollow stem, and when he played the instruments by closing and opening some of the holes, it produces very melodious sound. Uh, Now, the Nai first played the Sahnai in the Saj court. So, that is why the instrument was played in into a Saj court. That is why its name was Sahnai. इस प्रकार का इसका नाम सहनाई पड़ा. Now, Bismillah Khan Sahnai has been played in temples and North Indian wedding. The credit for bringing this instrument to the classical scale goes to Usman Bismillah Khan को जाता है. He was born on 21st March 1960 at Rawang in Bihar में उनका जन्म हुआ था. He belonged to a well-known family और musician. उनका परिवार एक संगीतकारों का परिवार. At the age of 6, he moved to बनारस और बनारस चले आए थे जहाँ पर वेयर इज मेटल अंकल हरि दक्ष नाम था. टाओ चिंग टू प्ले द सहनाई बजाना सिखाया था. He would sit practice वह बैठे रहते थे प्रैक्टिस करते हुए throughout the day पूरे दिन. His favorite hands were the temples of Balaji and Mangal Maiya and bank of the Ganga. He practiced art in loneliness. वह अकेले में अभ्यास करते थे. With he invented many rags which were considered to be beyond the rank of Sahnai. With the opening of All India Radio in Lucknow in 1938, came Bismillah Khan big break मिला. He started playing Sahnai on radio. When India gained independence on 15th August 1947, Bismillah Khan began the first Indian to greet the nation with his Sahnai. अपने Sahnai से स्वागत किया था. Bismillah Khan gave a memorable performance in both and abroad. दोनों उत्तर दिए. His first trip abroad was to Afghanistan where King Zahir Shah was greatly impressed. बहुत ज़्यादा प्रभावित हुआ था by the minister of द्वारा. He also successful in cinema world में सफल रहे थे, but he did not like that life. Bismillah Khan became the first Indian to be invited to perform at the Lincoln Center Hall in the USA में किया गया था. He was also successful in cinema world, but he did not like this. Bismillah Khan became the first Indian to be invited to perform in Lincoln Hall in USA. He also took part in the World Exhibition in Montreal, in Cannes Art Festival, and in the Oscar Trade Fair. He was recognized internationally and auditorium in Tehran, Iran was named after him. उनके बाद नाम रखा गया था. National award like Padma Shri and Padma Bhushan and the Padma Vibhushan was conferred on him. उनको दिए गए थे in 2001. He was awarded the Bharat Ratna दिया गया था. He said, उन्होंने कहा था, all I would like to say is teach your children music. This is Hindustan's richest tradition. Even the West is now coming to learn our music. He loved Banaras and the holy gardens. वह बनारस और होली गंगा को बहुत पसंद करते थे. His life is reflected of the rich heritage of Ganga. Now, dear student, I will write some questions. So you will write the answers of the question. First question will be your why was Kungi banned by Emperor Aurangzeb? Why was Kungi बैंड बाय औरंगजेब और ये खुदा उंगली क्यों बैंड लगा दिए गए थे। क्वेश्चन सेकंड विल बी व्हाट नेम वाज गिवन टू द इम्प्रूव विजन ऑफ उंगली एंड वाई। What name was given to the version only and why? Question third will be how is cyanide different from only? Different. Yeah, homework. I have written some of the questions on the board. You will have to give answers of this question by listening my speech. That's all for this video.